If you're watching this, chances are that you're in the fortunate position to have access to the food you want when you need it. For the most part, this is thanks to strong economies, distribution networks, skilled labor, abundant resources. The list goes on. If these components are developed enough, you would be fairly certain that when you go out looking for it, you will have access to enough food to keep you and your family strong and healthy. Sounds easy, right? Then why are so many people going hungry? In many countries, rural communities depend heavily on small-scale farming to sustain themselves. In turn, the involvement provided by these communities in small-scale farming models helps alleviate poverty. The money that farmers make goes towards all their essential living expenses, but also often forms the backbone of small communities and larger economies. Smaller communities find themselves in situations where food security and livelihoods desperately rely on everything to go right for farmers. But when natural disasters, climate change, conflict, global pandemics, and economic slowdowns and downturns are added to the mix, these communities are hit the hardest, and the losses are hard to comprehend. People pay the price and lose access to vital resources like food and water, which is why today, 1 in 10 people go to bed hungry and more than 750 million people are undernourished. This is why the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations exists. To achieve food security for all, and to make sure that all people have regular access to enough high-quality food to lead active, healthy lives. No matter how significant the effect of economies are on their communities, FAO seeks to make this a reality through the transformation to more efficient, inclusive, resilient, and sustainable agri-food systems, and realizing the 4 betters by ensuring better production through sustainable consumption and production patterns, better nutrition by ending hunger, achieving food security, and improved nutrition in all its forms, realizing a better environment by protecting, restoring, and promoting sustainable use of terrestrial and marine ecosystems, and creating a better life through promoting inclusive economic growth by reducing inequality. Since its inception in 1945, FAO has built decades of experience, networks, and expertise, which it now shares in all 195 countries. So when farming communities want to increase their ability to face factors out of their control, FAO is there to assist. And this assistance means more than just food security. It means securing livelihoods. It means education for children. It means communities and farmers reinvesting in their businesses. And it means community resilience. By setting out to end world hunger, so much more is achieved. Food security leads to happier, healthier lives for everyone. But to achieve this, we all have a part to play. Find out more about what you can do and join us in creating a world without poverty and hunger.